Today I share with you how to make party salad for Christmas. This is just going to be the best way you can get this done and you are going to enjoy your Christmas salad. To begin, we are going to be needing our vegetables. So here is the vegetable I'm going to be using. So you have a lot of cabbage over here. I have almost 3 types of cabbage. Both the purple, all of it is here. At the same time we have carrots, and at the same time we have cucumber, then we have sweet corn, then we have egg. The same time we have lemon. Okay, so don't forget to add the lemon in your salad. That is just so important. The same time we have green beans. So after everything, I'm going to be showing you how I just get veggies cut. So this is me slicing the cabbage, just a little bite like this. So this is just how I'm going to slice it until I have something like this. So after slicing all of it, I'm going to transfer that back inside this bowl like this. So next is for me to slice the purple salad. So this one is the purple one, so I'm just going to slice it the same way. So this is me just showing you how I get all the veggies sliced. So this is how I'm going to slice all of it before it's going to be useful. After slicing all of it, this is the best way to arrange the vegetable so that it's going to be combined after everything. So I'm going to be adding it one after the other like this. So this is why I'm going to be adding all of it until all the vegetables come together. In case you want to ask for the green beans and carrot that is already cooked green beans and carrot, I first of all get that parboiled. Have you shared this video yet? So you have to share. This is just the best way to prepare your Christmas salad. You can always use salad to eat fried meat. The same time use it to eat jollof rice, use it to eat fried rice. So salad is just so cool. If you make it in bulk like this, all you have to do, if you have a fridge, just keep it in your fridge. It's not going to spoil. Like, just keep it in your fridge. Anytime you are going to eat salad, just go there and take. It's just going to be serving you until the salad finish. It's not going to spoil. So this is just how I prepare my salad at home. We eat it as long as we want. So that is just it. So you have to do is to share and follow this process. You see how I'm arranging the vegetable. I do not just pour everything at once. I will just be arranging it one after the other like this. So this is just going to enable everything to come together. At the same time, it's not going to waste time for me to mix with mayonnaise. So this is me after adding everything. Just see how everything went. It was just so amazing. This is the corn, the green beans. So after everything, I add in the egg. So now it's for us to add in lemon. Lemon is very important, guys. I don't forget adding lemon in my salad. I like it a lot. It burns a lot of fat, so that is just so important. Don't forget to add in lemon. So after adding the juice, all I do, we have this salad cream. So this is salad mayonnaise that's specially made for salad, and this is just so amazing. It's going to make your salad to be creaming as if like what did they happen. This mayonnaise is number one, guys. It just specially made for salad and it's so creamy. So this is me using my hand to mix everything together. So don't forget to wear glove. You can as well use spoon to get this done if it's too much for you to turn with hand. So yeah, this is me after mixing everything together. Then we transfer that back inside this bowl. This is just so massive, like, oh my god, I just love every bit of this salad. It was so delicious. So this is just so nice. So if you have it in mind to celebrate this Christmas season with your family, try to add the salad in their food. They are going to use it to enjoy dry meat, use it to enjoy fried rice, the same time use it to enjoy jollof rice. It's so amazing, and it go dey cool on our mind. Anyway, guys, see how beautiful that look is. So amazing. All you have to do is to share. I love you in my next one. Bye.